How can you increase the chances to get a reply to your questions during a negotiation? We know this is not an easy task because most of the people are reluctant to share information during a negotiation because they are afraid that this may be used against them. This is part, let's say, of the negotiator dilemma, or finding a balance between cooperation and competition. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. I want to give you 4 tips that can help you to increase the chances of getting a reply to your question. The first one, create a climate of trust. When there is rapport, when there is a good relationship with the other party, it's going to be easier to share information than in a context where the two parties are more uncomfortable with each other. Second idea, formulate your question as neutral as possible. A neutral question may be, how is the project going? A biased question may be, help me understand why we are running so much late and there are so many problems on this project. A third idea, provide an explanation before making the question. If you only ask a question, it looks like a police interrogator. Hey, what do you do this and why you want this, etc. So it's better to give an explanation. Oh, I understand how you came up for this. And what is behind this? So you first give an explanation and then you make the question. The fourth idea, inform them upfront ahead of difficult question. You may say something like, I realize this may be a challenging question for you. Or, I do understand that this is sensitive information. Can you help me and tell me a bit more about this element? So, to summarize, 4 key ideas to get more answer to your question. Create a climate of trust, formulate your question as neutral as possible, give an explanation before making your questions, and inform them upfront ahead of a difficult question. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.